Hello, good morning children. How you all are? I hope you all are fine at your home. Yes, no? Yes. Myself Shalini. I am going to teach mathematics. Yes, no children? Which subject I am going to teach? Mathematics. In that, in our previous classes, we have discussed about the topic perimeter and area of simple geometrical figures. So which topic we have started children? Yes, it is perimeter and area of simple geometrical figures. What all we have learned in this topic children? Have you remembered? Yes, we have learned about 2D shapes, 3D shapes. So can you give some few examples of 2D shapes? Yes, square, rectangle, triangle, so on are the 2D shapes. So what are 3D shapes? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. These all are the example of the 3D shapes. And we have learned some of the properties of 2D shapes, like square has 4 sides, 4 equal sides, it has 4 corners or 4 vertices, it has 2 diagonals. Likewise we have discussed. And in last class we have discussed about the perimeter. So I hope you all remember children. What do you mean by perimeter? Yes, perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides. What is perimeter? Here, perimeter is nothing but what children? Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides. Sum of all sides of geometrical figures. So what are the geometrical figures children? Square, rectangle, triangle, rhombus. These all we call them as a geometrical figures. Sum of all the sides we call it as a perimeter. And in our last class we have discussed how to find the perimeter. Means how to find the sum of all sides. Means sum of all sides is nothing but the perimeter. So here they have given you some match the following of the perimeters. You need to match them. So what is perimeter children? Yes, it is sum of all sides. So this figure you see how many sides does it has? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total it has 4 sides. So you need to add all the sides now. So sum of all sides means you have to add all the values of all the sides. So 4 plus 3, 3 plus 6, 6 plus 5. So what sum you will get children? You need to see. So what sum is going to come children? Just add them. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6. How much it will be? 9 plus 6, 15. So 15 plus 3, 18. Yes, no? Sum of all the sides means all the values you have to add. So which option is there in B column children? Yes, it is B option. So first answer is B, that is 18 centimeter. Yes, no? Sum of all the sides, if you do sum of all the sides, our perimeter we are giving it as 18 centimeters. Next come to second question children. Sum of all sides, total it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So all the sides are having 5, 5, 5. So 5 plus 5 how much? 10. So 10 plus 5, 15. So what is the value children? Yes, the value of second 2 is 15 centimeter. So what is the value of this figure children? Yes, it is 15 centimeter. Then it is option C, 15 centimeter. Then next last we see children. What is this shape? What is this second shape? I hope you all know it is triangle. It has 3 sides. So next what is this shape? Can you tell? It is rectangle? No. It is square because all the sides are equal. Can you see 6, 6, 6, 6? If all the sides are equal, then you have to take it as a square because square has all 4 sides equal. Then add all 6, 6. What value we are getting? 24. So last third answer is A, that is 24 centimeter. I hope you all understood how to find the perimeter. It is nothing but adding of all the sides. Sum of all the sides is nothing but a perimeter. So this is one type of a question. Means this is one type of question which may come in your examination. So second type of question we will discuss today. What are the second types of question? So write this in your notebook, children. Make sure that you have to know all whatever I am giving in a notebook. So second type of question. In this type of question, children, in first type of question, they will be giving you all the sides and you are going to find the perimeter. In second type of question, they will give you the perimeter and one side will be missing. Supposingly, take this as figure. Take this figure. What is this figure, children? Yes, it is rectangle. So, they will give you the sides and here one side is missing. So, all you can see, totally rectangle will have 4 sides. In that, they will be giving you only 3 sides. You can see one side, 2 side, 3 side and 4th side it is missing. So, what will be the question, children? They will give the observe the figure. Observe the given figure. Observe the given figure. Observe the given figure. If its perimeter is 24 centimeter. What is the question, children? Observe the given figure. If its perimeter is 24 centimeter, then find the 4th side. You need to find the 4th side. So this is the question. This is another type of the question which may come in your examination. One type, all the sides they will be giving. You have to find the perimeter. In second type of question, they are giving you the perimeter. All you can see here, they have given the value of perimeter. So no need of finding the value of perimeter. Instead of that, you need to find the value of one side. Got it? So how to solve this? How to solve this, children? Yes, you will be having nearly 2 to 3 steps to solve this type of question. So step 1. So what will be this step 1, children? Yes, step 1 is that on your left side, I hope you all know this is your left hand and this is your right hand. Yes, no? Left hand, right hand. On your left side, you write the sides. Left side, you should write the sides. So what are the given sides, children? 10 plus 2 plus 10 plus question. This 4th side we don't know. So left side, LHS side, you should write 10 given sides. 10, 2, 10 and unknown side you should write. Equals to, on your right side, you should write this perimeter value. They have given you in the question perimeter value, then you have to write. I hope you all understood. On your left side, given side values you should write. On your right side, you should write the given perimeter. Got it? Then what is the second step, children? This is about first step. Second step, you should add the given sides. So what you have to do? Add the given sides. 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 10, 22. Then these 3 all you have to add. What is the second step? Add the given sides. Keep the remaining side as it is, unknown side as it is, equals to as it is, and perimeter value as it is. I hope second step is what? Adding the given sides. This is the second step. What is the second step? Adding the given sides. Remaining all you should keep the same. Next, third step, shifting the LHS to the RHS. What is the third step? You have to shift the LHS value. I hope you all know your left hand side, LHS is left hand side, RHS means right hand side. So what is the third step, children? Shifting LHS value to the RHS. So third step, we have to shift this 22 from left to the right side. So this 22 we have to shift from our left. All you can see, 22 is on my left, 22 is on my left side, and 24 is on my right side. I hope all you can see. So this 22 you have to shift to the right side. So how to shift, children? What is the rule to shift? What is the rule to shift? To shift the values, you have some points to remember. So what is that point, children? So to shift from left to right, our sign are going to be changed. Sign is plus will become minus. If my sign is minus, it is going to become plus. Means this you have to take it as LHS. It is RHS. Suppose my LHS value is in plus. When it shifted to RHS, its value, its sign is going to change to minus. Keep in mind, children, listen carefully. Suppose my LHS sign is plus, then when we shift to RHS, when we shift this plus to this RHS, its sign changes to the minus. Suppose my LHS sign is minus, when we are shifting to RHS, its sign will change to plus. This point is very important to remember. I hope you all will remember. Now in this example, 22 is on left side, 24 is on right side. Now this 24 I want to shift to the RHS. So you question mark you put as it is. First you write 24 as it is. Then here by default this will be having the sign as plus. I hope, children, in your previous classes you all have learned. If the first value has no sign, it is understood by default it will be plus. Supposingly first value is in minus, compulsory we are going to use the minus sign. So if we are not using any sign, it is understood that it will be plus. So now plus 22, if shifted to RHS, it will become minus 22. Then what will be my fourth side? What will be my fourth side value, children, now? 24 minus 22, 2 centimeter. So what value, fourth side value we have got? Yes, it is 22 centimeter. So what value we have got, children? It is 2 centimeter. To solve such kinds of problem, mainly we have to remember the steps. So what is the first step? You need to write on your left side all the given sides. On your right side, you have to write the given perimeter. So this step is the first step. Second step, you need to add all the given sides. So I have added 10 to 10, 22. I have added, and remaining plus is as it is, question mark as it is, equals to as it is, 24 as it is. Next, third step, you have to shift this 22 value to the right hand side. And to shift this, we have shown you what are the rules. If LHS sign is plus, if it goes to right hand side, its value will become minus. So all you can see here, plus 22 is changed to minus 22. Here you all can see, it is written as plus 22. When it goes to right hand side, its sign becomes minus 22. These three steps are very important to remember. So I am going to solve one more question, children. Please try to understand. I hope little bit at least you all have understood it. At once you are not going to get. You have to practice more and more. You need to practice more and more to get perfect. Got it, children? So we will see one more example. We are going to see the one more example. Second question. I hope what is the shape called as, children? You all have got in your previous classes. How many sides does it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the shape called as? 5-sided. 5-sided figure we call it as pentagon. What we call it as? Pentagon. So they have given you sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. This side is pending, and again they have given you 8 centimeter. They have given you the 8 centimeter. A, B, C, D and E. Then they have given you the perimeter as 24 centimeter. So again in this question also they have given P value as 24 centimeter. Means question remains the same. Observe the given figure. If its perimeter is 24, find the fifth side. Instead of there we have only 4 sides. That is, we have written 4th side. Here we have 5 sides, means 5th side we have to find. Find the 5th side. Question. We wrote the 5th side because this is the figure pentagon. It will be having 5 sides. In these 5 sides, they have given already 4 sides. Or you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides they have given. Remaining 5th side you have to find. So how to find, children? What is the first step? Yes. What will be the first step, children? You have to write the given side. You have to write given side on LHS. What all are the given sides? 3, 4, 8, question mark plus 4 equals to perimeter as 24. They have given perimeter as 24 in the question. Then what is the second step? It is the first step. First step, all the sides, left hand side you should write. It is left hand side and it is right hand side. So left hand side given sides, right hand side perimeter in between equals to this much you have to remember. What is the second step, children? Yes, you need to add all the given sides. So you need to add all the given sides. So 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 17, 18, 19. So totally it is 19 centimeter this side plus question mark equals to 24. Yes. Second step. Second step, add all the given sides. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 4 19. So we have got the sum of given sides is 19. This pressure bar as it is equals to as it is 24 as it is. Then third step is very important, children. Shifting. Third step is what? Shifting LHS value to the RHS. So all you can see what is the value here? 19. So if it is given only 19, what sign it will be having? By default, it will be having its sign will be 19. So question mark as it is equals to as it is 24 as it is. So now this 19 we have to shift to the RHS. For shifting, I have told you value will remain same. Value 19 will remain as it is 19. But its sign is there, no? Its sign all you can see plus. It is going to change to minus. Keep in mind, children. Value will remain same as 19. No change in value. It will remain as it is. But plus 19, it will become minus 19. All you can see here also, value 22, 22. Values are going to remain same. Only sign we are changing. Plus has become minus. So here also same. Value will remain same, but plus will change to minus. So how much is left, children? Minus 8. What is the fifth side value now? Minus 8. It is 5 centimeter. So what is the fifth side value? 5 centimeter. I hope, children, try to practice. When you add all these sides, you should get the perimeter value. Then only here whatever you have done, it will be correct. So suppose this verification part, how to verify whether whatever we have done correct or wrong, use perimeter value, take the perimeter value, already we have given you 24. So perimeter value they have given you 24. Then this side we have got 2 centimeter. Then you have to add all the sides. If you get 24, then your process is correct. So add children, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 2, 22. This side we have find it as 2. 22 plus 2, 24. So our perimeter will equals to this figure. Then this verification is done. So how to verify children? After finding the unknown value or unknown side, you have to add all the sides. If all the sides tallies the perimeter, then whatever you have done will be the correct. I hope you all understood. Suppose when you add all the sides, this unknown side it has been 5 now in this. So you add all the sides. So sum of this 4 side is 19 plus 5. How much it will be? 19 plus 5. How much it will be? 24. So this also verified. Go on practicing children. You will get understand. Okay. I hope you all have understood. After tomorrow I am going to give few more questions on this. You need to solve them on your own. I hope you all have understood. Repeat again and again. See the videos repeatedly. You will get understood thoroughly. Okay children. Thank you. Have a nice day.